Good morning, 7:32 in the morning. Your humble servant is in Kasamata Hill, Bangkid Abra. My friend, please let me read again what is written in Psalms. What is written in Psalms 34:10, which says, Even strong young lions sometimes go hungry, but those who trust in the Lord will lack no good things. May God add more blessings upon reading His Word. My dear friend, if we will study the life of the lions, as we see in the social media, especially in YouTube. So, my dear friends, even how strong are the lions, but sometimes they go hungry. So they are very strong, no? So even the buffalo, sometimes they can pin down the big buffalo or bigger than them sometimes. But those who trust in the Lord will lack no good things. No? So what is important, my dear friend, is our trust to our God Almighty. No? So in our daily lives, my dear friends, so if we will go to what we call albularyo in our language or in the faith healers, the first thing that they will ask to the client may be like this, no? If you have faith, if you trust in me, I will perform. I will perform the healing process, or I will perform the ritual to be done for you in order for you to be healed in your sickness. No? So, but my dear friends, we can put all our trust to our God Almighty, the God of gods, the King of kings, and the Lord of lords. So, it is like if we will trust, good things will be ours. So, it is an advantage, my dear friend, if we are trusting the Lord. Because according to Proverbs 3:5, trust in the Lord with all your hearts and lean not in your own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct our path. No? So it is very advantage to our part if we trust the Lord, because He will guide us to the right path. You know, my dear friends, it's very hard if we can go astray. So sometimes in the experience of your humble servant, when I visited the blessings of our God Almighty to DRT, no? Dunya Remedios Trinidad, I encountered, as I walked, my dear friend, I encountered three ways, or three roads, no? So I have choices, because life is a matter of choice. So I can pass in the right, in the center, or in the left. But you know, my dear friend, what I did was I look upward. I look upward and pray. And you know, I was guided by our God Almighty, because I saw the highest tree in the mountains, which guides me to select the right path. So, if we trust the Lord, my dear friend, He will guide us to the right path. Right path is always best for us. Because if we will go astray, remember, my dear friends, that is be hard to go back and look again for the right path. So it is good that we will trust the Lord for Him to guide us to the right path. It's very hard for us to, as I said a while ago, it's very hard for us to go back and find the right place. But if in the beginning we pass the right road or the right path, so no need for us to go back and find the right road. So like in the case of your humble servant, my dear friends, that there are 3 roads, right, left, center. For example, I pass by the right side, so I will go back again and try in the middle. So it's very hard, my dear friends. If I did it, what is important is the guide of our God Almighty, who will guide us to find or to use or to pass by the right path. It's very hard, my dear friend. So trusting the Lord, good things will not be lacking to us. So we will do our best to trust the Lord. So this is Casamata Hill. So this is the pathway. Yeah. Oh, I now discovered, no, that the joggers, they pass by the entrance, and this will be the exit. No? So I discovered only today, no, that we can pass here from the INRU, from the provincial office of Bangid Abra. Wow, it's nice, no? So maybe it is good if there is light. Oh, yeah, there is no installation of light. Maybe it will be on the revive. So my dear friend, thank you very much. God bless us all.